Hey everyone, welcome back. We're going to be making some stir-fry vegetables. It's so easy. You can enjoy this with some rice or some quinoa or just basically by itself. Alright, so let's get started, guys. We're going to be using some cabbage, carrots, string beans, sweet peppers, onions, and broccoli. Now, all our vegetables are washed and ready to go in the pot, right? So I've started preparing the string beans, so we're just going to cut them at an angle that's good enough. So you can just slice them and put them back over there. This meal is so convenient, guys, and very easy. You can just smash your garlic and then you can just rough chop them, right? I kind of like how this vegetable mix is so easy. You can set your knife like this and just chop them. So easy. Just bring them in back together and chop again. Alright, we also need a piece of ginger, so we're just going to peel it. Put it there. We're gonna work with the harder vegetables first. So like the broccoli, we're gonna and stir fry can't be stir fry without onions, you know. I believe that. So we're gonna be using a nice fresh onion. Okay, so at this point you can go right ahead and preheat your pot, right? It's very important. You can use just about any color bell pepper you like. So I'm going to be using the red one and the green one. Being that we're going to be using the broccoli and it's green, we want it to be vibrant, right? And you want to ensure that all your vegetables are cut in the same size. This is an easy way you can cut them to make sure all of your sweet peppers are at the same size. You maybe don't use all of the sweet peppers, but I just like to make sure we cut them so, you know. This amazing julienne peel at my favorite store. Now this is not sponsored, but I love Bashco. They have every little thing that you want in there, and I found this. It's just so nice. All my carrot slices are the same size. It's so convenient, and I think I'm feeling this. So we're going to use some carrots as well. So we're going to get some. If you like to use a lot of carrot, man, like me, go right ahead. Look at that, how amazing everything looks and uniform. Alright, so now that our oil is pretty hot, we're going to just put in the garlic. I love when I find and I hear this sizzling sound. It just makes me feel like me on some big top chef. And the ginger. You want to add this. I don't want you to burn the garlic, no. Like me, always I burn the garlic. Oh my god. To release the flavor in the oil. For it to cook a little, not for too long, just tip a little water in there to support it, because you don't want it to be too hard, you know. So you can just leave that. Now if it is that you want to speed up the cooking time, you can always blanch these ahead of time, being that they're a little bit harder to cook than the rest of vegetables. I think this is an amazing meal for those of you who meal prep. You know, this is a healthy meal to carry to work or school, and you can always use a little olive oil or grapeseed oil or vegetable oil. I'm using the vegetable oil. So now you can go ahead and you can add the string beans. Okay, we're going to add also the sweet peppers and the carrots. You can go ahead and add the carrots as well. How amazing that looks already. You can't tell me that this don't look nice. I don't like to have my stir-fried vegetables are all cooked out and mushy and change color, look dull. No sir, I don't like that. So we're going to add some not soy sauce, we're going to add some liquid and amino. Just a little for the sodium. And also some stir-fry sauce. Maybe like a tablespoon. This is smelling so lovely. Smells so good. Oh my god. So we're gonna add the cabbage. Maybe like a 2 handful. And the art in doing stir fry, guys, is to make sure you're working with your pot very hot. So you just cook everything so fast and easy. So just leave that cook down for a little. I don't want you to cover the pot, because if you cover the pot, then a lot of water is going to spring from the vegetables, and we don't want that, right? And we're going to also add a little bit of remember sweet pepper, a little bit of black pepper, not a lot, just a little toots. Oh, it smells so good, so good. Don't want it to be too watery. So whatever liquid is in there is you know, we're just going to rely on that to finish cooking it. Everything is looking so alive. I also bought this pot from my favorite little store. Now this is an easy, quick, healthy meal to have. You can enjoy it, like I said earlier, with pretty much anything. Now if you want to continue watching us, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, put on your post notification bell so you don't miss an episode, right? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.